What is up, guys? Oh, I am back with the backrest chair. Every video I make is a comeback video. So 2 years ago, I made a video called The Worst Scratch Projects. And that was about checking out the Explore page and seeing if we have a lot of good or bad projects on there. And then I realized Scratch cannot be good. And we had a lot of bad projects. So in 2025, are we starting good or just like 2024? Let's see what's the case. So we have Saturn OG. Let's see. Wow. Whoops, our server is scratching its head just like me, bro. What is going on? Tom plays Would You Rather by Random Z. Let's see.
Would you rather always eat fried chicken or baked chicken forever and ever?
I don't know.
Give me that baked chicken, boy.
I am vegetarian.
Would you rather always have someone spying on you or get kidnapped?
I think I'd rather have someone spying on me. It's not like they're gonna hurt me or anything.
Would you rather get
Obviously.
a bomb dropped on you or get shot? Pew pew.
I think I'd rather have a bomb dropped on me, just to make it nice and quick. Yo, what is that?
I mean, kind of funny. Like 14-year-old wouldn't complete. Like okay, not that bad of a project, but it's like trending number 2. So I don't know. Get Hired featuring Fortnite Rizzler. Bro, here we go. The brain rot. Okay, whatever.
What's your name? Hired. You're hired? Thank you very much.
I think I should quit Scratch at this point. 10-year-old jokes, and 10 years was 2015, not even 2010, are still getting repeated and getting number 3 on trending. It's crazy. We are starting okayish, I guess. Let's see, the 10 projects will tell. So here we are on the 4th project, GDB Like. 10,000 views, 200 likes, and it's number 4 on trending. Is Scratch irrelevant or something? I don't know, bro. Let's see. I should really quit Scratch. Okay, we are on the 5th project. Again, whoops are Scratch. What? Even Scratch hates Scratch now? Or something like that? I don't know. V 1.14 Scratch quickly. Bro, at least title it correctly, bro. What is... Okay, the thumbnail is like centuries old at this point. This is so common. First of all, turn off the music, bro. What are these upgrades? 100 for what? This or both, or 10 for this? 1 CPC. So where do I click? Here or here or here? Let's see. Let's get to 100, bro. Okay, we have 100. Let's click. Okay, I think it worked because the money was minus and CPC is 2. But CPS is still 0. It should be 1 at least. So it is very weird. Okay, I have options, I think. Amazing UI. Like, this game has such an amazing UI. It's so clear and it's so like so good. 145k views. Crazy. Milk clicker. How does Scratch allow this? Objective get that back, bro. This is a normal meme. How does Scratch allow this? It's crazy to see these things on Scratch. Like, how is this allowed? Crazy. If we keep sarcasm aside, this is worse than the first game I ever played. How is this with 1000 views and on trending, bro? What is going on? Is there a add-on or Scratch tool on which I have accidentally turned like on trending? No, search trending, like anti-generic is off, so like that is not interfering with anything. Let's see add-ons. Trending. Nothing at all. Is this the real trending page? Like, this is trending and this is all. Is this the real trending page? I am actually confused. Again, this is the 3rd time in like 8 projects. It's crazy. I don't know what to say. Super Tanuki card. What so cooked. It's crazy. Actually, I can't believe this. Like, Scratch 2024 video, the one I made before this, was miles better than this one. Like, at least the projects worked. How can you get 10 projects on the top of your explore page and have 5 of them not even work? It's crazy. Griffpatch left almost, like he has an academy now, so he's technically not that big on YouTube or not posting that regularly on YouTube. Fuelwin left, and basically I was inactive. Shift Click Learn left. Jackson Academy has shifted. So like, is this the downfall of Scratch?